What if I told you that you could take any image, whether it's a photo of real people, an illustration, or even an animal, and make every single character in it talk with perfectly synced lip movements, all in just a few minutes?
So let's get straight into it. What do you think about Arsenal winning the English Premier League this season? Are they finally going all the way?
No, Arsenal are not winning it. Because Arsenal Football Club are used to bottling big moments. When the pressure gets intense, they drop points. We've seen it before.
Pretty cool, right? And the best part is, you don't need any animation skills or expensive software to do this. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create results like these from scratch. Whether you want to make funny skits, explainer videos, storytelling content, or even short films, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. So let's get right into it. Alright, so to create our multi-character lip sync, we're going to be using a tool called Dzine AI. If you haven't come across it before, Dzine is basically an all-in-one AI creative studio. And the best part is, it runs right inside your browser. No downloads, no installations, nothing like that. You can use it to generate images from text, transform existing pictures into something completely different, and even turn still images into videos. Everything you work on is organized into projects, so your canvas, your layers, and all your generations stay neatly in one place. And the layout itself is really clean and easy to get around. All the tools, all the results, everything is right where you'd expect it to be. So even if this is your first time using it, you're not going to feel lost. I'll leave a link on the video description and in the comments section. Click on it to sign up. Now, once you log in, the first thing you'll notice is all the AI tools that Dzine has to offer. And honestly, there's quite a lot here. But the one we care about today, and the reason we're here, is the multi-character lip sync feature. This is the big one, and it's honestly a game changer for anyone making content with AI. So let's get started. We're going to click on lip sync right here. Now, the first thing it's going to ask us to do is either upload an image or upload a video. So if you already have a video that you want to work with, you can go ahead and upload that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to keep things simple and use a still image. So let's click on Pick a Face Image, and then we're going to import our image from our files. Now here's the image I'm working with. On one side, we've got a male host character, and on the other side, we've got a female character. What I want to do is make both of these characters talk in the same video, like an interview or podcast session. And just so you know, Dzine actually lets you lip sync up to 4 characters in a single video, which is pretty impressive. But for this example, we're just going to keep it at 2 to keep things straightforward. Alright, so the image is now uploaded. The next step is we need to tell Dzine which faces in this image we actually want to lip sync. So what we're going to do is click on Mark Face manually. I'm going to go ahead and select the female first, and then I'm going to select the host as well. So now we've got 2 faces selected. Perfect. Let's go ahead and click Next. And this brings us to the timeline. This is basically where we're going to build out our entire video. You'll notice down here we have Speaker A and Speaker B. Speaker A is the female that we selected first, and Speaker B is the host. You can see which is which by looking at the little preview images. Now comes the fun part. We need to give each speaker a voice. Let's start with Speaker A, the female character. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see you have 2 options here. You can either type in your text directly and let Dzine generate the voice for you using text-to-speech, or if you already have a pre-recorded audio file, you can upload that instead, and Dzine will sync the lips to match your audio. For this tutorial, I don't have any pre-recorded audio, so I'm just going to type in my script. I've got a short text prepared, so I'll just paste that in right here. Once the text is in, we need to pick a voice for the character. You'll see there are a bunch of different languages to choose from. I'm going to stick with English for this one. And then you'll see a list of different voice options. If you want to hear what any of them sound like before you commit, just click the little preview button next to each one and it'll play a sample for you. I'm going to go with this voice right here. I think it fits the character pretty well. You can also clone a voice and use it. Furthermore, you can switch between the standard mode or a more expressive mode for the voice. And one more thing, you can also adjust the speed of the voice if you are using the standard mode. So if you want the character to speak a little faster or a little slower, you've got that control right here. Pretty handy. All right, once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Generate Audio. This will create the voiceover and you'll be able to listen to it right away. If it sounds good to you, hit Apply. And if for whatever reason you're not happy with how it turned out, maybe the voice doesn't feel right or the speed is a bit off, you can always come back, change the settings, and regenerate it. No pressure at all. Now you'll see that Speaker A's audio clip has appeared on our timeline down here. Great. Let's move on and do the exact same thing for Speaker B, our host character. Click on Pick a Voice, and this time I'm going to choose a different voice so our two characters actually sound distinct from each other. I've got another text prepared for this character as well, so I'll paste that in. Pick the voice, and then click Generate Audio. Once it sounds good, hit Apply. And now you'll see both audio clips sitting on the timeline. But here's the thing you need to watch out for. When both clips first appear, they're going to be stacked right on top of each other, meaning both characters would be talking at the exact same time. Obviously, that's not what we want. So what we need to do is simply drag Speaker A's audio clip a bit to the right, so that Speaker B finishes talking first, and then Speaker A responds. Just like a real conversation. You can position them however you like. You could even have them overlap slightly if you want that natural interrupting feel. But for now, let's just keep it clean, with one speaking after the other. And believe it or not, that's really all there is to it. Once you've got your speakers set up and your timeline looking the way you want it, just go ahead and select your preferred video resolution. I will select 1080p and click Generate. Now, the video does take a little bit of time to process, usually around 10 to 30 minutes depending on the length. So just sit tight and let it do its thing. Let's fast forward through the wait and check out the final result.
So let's get straight into it. What do you think about Arsenal winning the English Premier League this season? Are they finally going all the way?
No, Arsenal are not winning it. Because Arsenal Football Club are used to bottling big moments. When the pressure gets intense, they drop points. We've seen it before.
And there we go. That's how simple it is to create a multi-character lip sync video using AI. The whole process is really straightforward once you've done it once. So go ahead and give it a try yourself. I think you'll be surprised at just how easy and how much fun the whole process actually is.